Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Kings and I'm so happy that you find this channel. I'm so glad you find this channel. And as you can see right here on my screen, I just woke up with a free $30 crypto bonus for me to start trading for free. I didn't deposit any amount. I just start trading with a free funded of $30. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a $30 crypto bonus for you to start trading for free without depositing anything, and it is 100% withdrawal. You can withdraw from it 100%. Alright, so make sure you stay tuned and stick to the end of this video. But before we start, as you can see by the left side on this screen, this is my Telegram channel. If you know that you are interested in getting to make money every single day, even if it is a small money, all you have to do is for you to go to the description of this video or the comment section. Click on the link that you find here. It will direct you to my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel and you will have access to free money making updates. And also, if this is your first time of coming across my video on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't do that now, I'm afraid this might be the last time you are probably going to hear from us. So now, step number 1 to claim this bonus. The link to claim this bonus will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. So the step number 1 is for you to go to the description of this video, click on the link, and it will redirect you back to my Telegram channel. And once you join my Telegram channel, in there you will have access to the link that you are going to use to claim this bonus. Alright, so once you click on the link in my Telegram channel, it's going to bring you to this place. And once you are done downloading the app, all you have to do is for you to click on open. You don't have to bother about how you are going to get to this place. So once you click on open, it will bring you to this place. And as you can see right here on our screen, start with a free $30 and earn 104%. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to click on get started. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this place. Just enter your email and your password. And as you can see, the referral code is optional, right? So you don't have to enter it because it is not compulsory. So once you are done, just mark this box and click on continue, create account. So once you click on it, they will bring out this puzzle. Just verify this puzzle and it will take you to this place. And as you can see right here, please note that you will not receive any email if your email has been registered. So this account is only meant for new users, people who have never registered before. So now go to your email, copy the code that has been sent to you because you are a new user, go back to the app and input the code over there. So let's do that right now. So once you are done, click on verify and it will bring you to this place. As you can see, you are almost there. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on verify now, so that you will verify your account and so that you'll be able to get the free $30 crypto bonus for you to start trading your crypto account. So the next thing you are going to do right now is for you to verify. So click on verify now. So once you click on verify now, it's going to bring you to this place whereby you have to fill in the necessary details and click on start. Alright, so we are going to verify our ID and we are also going to take a selfie together with our ID right now. So tell us more a little bit about yourself. Enter your name, your email, enter your details that you've entered the other time. Enter that all countries except USA. So enter it. So click on continue. So once you click on continue, the next thing for us to do is to verify our identity document and selfie. So select the country that you are from. And to remind you, this account is not meant for everybody. This account is only meant for certain country. So I'll be discussing the only people that can be able to get this account. I'll be showing it to you very soon. Just make sure that you stay tuned. So once you are done verifying your account, over here on this screen you will receive a free $30 crypto bonus for you to start trading. So once you've been able to get your free $30 crypto bonus, you can now come here and start trading your BTC, USD, USDT. So you can start placing your order from this place, as you can see right here on my screen. This is it by the left side. Start claiming it, start placing your trade, start doing what you want to do with your free $30 crypto bonus. And the terms and condition is very easy for you to apply. All right, the terms and conditions are very easy. And for more information, just join my Telegram channel, because more details will be discussed in my Telegram channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also join my Telegram channel so that you will have access to more information. If you have been able to get this bonus, drop a comment in the comment section, like this video and share it with your loved ones. Thank you for watching.